Hey guys, so I have my kitten right here. See him? See, he's very little. On camera, he might kind of look big, but we just got him at the pet shop. We haven't brought him home yet. We're still working to bring him home. Here, the metal you see is like that. You can see like the shines. Shh. Oh, what are you doing to the camera? He's getting so close to the camera. And yes, it's a he. We don't know what we should name it. And no, it's not brown. It's black. On camera, it looks like that. And I have a cat that kind of looks like Oreo. Well, not like. I don't have him yet. What are you doing? Stop getting so close to the cage. And there he is. So I adopted a new kitten. I don't know if I'm ready for this. And he's really soft. Like, let me feel him. I've like already felt him, but my mother says only when we get home I can take him out, because he doesn't want him getting like stuck in. I can't really see. I'm just like shoving the camera down here. If you see anything, let me know. If you see pitch black, it's okay. You see anything? I'm looking at the camera. It's kind of hard. I'm like bending it right now. I don't know. Let me try getting back there. Not like literally into it. Just like back in the car. So let's see what's in here. And this time I'm kind of looking at the camera. What's this? It looks like a giant thing. What is that? Do you see anything? I can't really see. Meh. So I will do cat updates every now and then. Yeah. He's gonna grow up so fast. Well, not really fast, but still he's adorable. Right, cat? He had a brother, but we had to leave him there because my father said we can't adopt 2 cats. Man, when I grow up, I'm gonna have like 15 cats in my home. And you're saying I can't adopt 2/5. Because I already have 3 cats right now. That would be 4, and the other would be 5. It was so fluffy. Yeah, it's just adorable. As I said, I'm going to do kitten updates. And I hope you guys like this. We might name him Stormy. I don't know. And okay, I'm trying to make like a good ending. On that note,